Welcome guys, today we're gonna check out the transformation of this engine rebuild. It's a 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Everything was redone on this car. The engine was fully open, everything was checked, and a lot of new parts on this engine. It came out really nice. We painted it orange to match the color of the car. Now it's sitting in a beautiful 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle that you can check in the other videos. But everything was redone on this car. You can see the brand new carburetor there, a lot of new parts, new exhaust, and it become a really reliable engine. We have driven many times on the freeway and it's super reliable. But I leave you to enjoy the transition of this engine, and hope you guys like it. Don't forget to put the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.